Zoom zoom. We have a 2018 Mazda 3 Touring. Oh my, I got ahead of myself, I forgot. Hi everybody, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, just welcome. As I was saying, we've got an 18 Mazda 3, 9,590 miles on the clock, and they said the check engine light's on. Yeah, the oil maintenance light, okay. Looks like I'll be doing an oil service on this. There is no service engine soon indicator on this car. Oh gee, let's turn off the radio before I get a copyright. I don't know how to do that. Oh, I'm getting old. There we go. Nope, that's air conditioning. Oh yeah, I'm getting old now. Oh, it's touch screen. How does it work? The music sign. Oh, what do I do? Man, maybe I'll just turn it down a bunch. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll just turn it down a lot. Okay, problem solved. Just to make sure that there is no check engine light, I'm gonna go ahead and plug the scanning device in and just ping the ECM and make sure that there's no trouble codes that are stored. So on my work order, there's a diagnostic charge for the service engine soon illuminator for $89. That's gonna cover an hour of labor to make sure that there's nothing wrong. Obviously, I'm not going to charge that, but I would just like to point out that every time you buy like a $40,000 to $100,000 piece of machinery, usually it's going to come with an operator's manual. And inside of that operator's manual, it's going to tell you what all the functions of that piece of machinery are, how they work, and what they mean. And included in that, it's going to outline what all the warning indicators mean. Therefore, if you were to read said manual, you wouldn't mistake a maintenance light for a check engine light and then agree to pay $90 for somebody like me to tell you what's wrong with it. Because a lesser mortal would go ahead and collect the $90 and find some excuse for what is wrong here and then turn that light off at the end and then say that they fixed it. So it would behoove everyone, whether you're car savvy or not, is to just go ahead and read that little book. And I know it's long and it's like 200 pages, but it's really worth the literature considering how much money you probably have spent purchasing that piece of machinery. So after a quick code scan of all of the modules in this car, we can see very clearly that there are no diagnostic trouble codes present, and the only thing that this thing needs is a lube, oil, and filter service, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. Before I set this up on the rack, I'm going to go ahead and reset that maintenance indicator. Let's pop in the hood, and I'll pull my data link connector cable away because we're done with the scanner now. You're coming with me. You can't change the oil with the engine running. Power that off. Open, please. Oh, I can't do it. It's stuck. Check it out. It's built with Sky Active technology. Fancy. Mazda up. Let's not smash the hood on the ceiling. Look how considerate Mazda is. Oops, gravity. They made little access panels for me for a filter that's not in there. Okay. An access panel for a filter that's not in there. Okay, I guess I'll just put that back. Maybe I'm looking for this one. Let's try again. Ah, convenient. Okay. Look how considerate Mazda was. They made a little access panel for me. This panel must be for a different engine design. They got me. Not very good at my job this morning. Can't operate oil filter pliers. Whoa! All that effort to not get oil on me. Look what it did. Murphy's Law, it's in full effect at all times. Hate oil, especially on a Monday. Yeah. And let it ride. Pick up the phone. Yeah. It could be worse. I could have dumped this oil into a drain pan that was full, and then it caught a filter and then shot out everywhere like an upside down umbrella. Those are the worst moments. Let's pre-lube the gasket here. There we go. You're doing it wrong. Let's not refill the filter. Go on there. Click. Good. Okay, seeing as how proper drain plug torque is critical, I busted out the high-tech, super awesome Kmart brand drain plug torque wrench device. We're going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Get on there. There we go, coming up on torque. Oh, we need more light. I can't see it either. There we are. All right, we're looking for 30 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we're getting there. Crush washer is crushing. Oh, that's 29. Almost made it. Let's try one more time. Here we go. We're coming up on it. That's it, 30 pounds. We have achieved proper oil drain plug torque specification. Let's clean off our residuals. Couple more bolts to go on this panel here. Uh-oh, wrong way. Now, these are highly critical fasteners, and we do not want to over torque them, so I will just apply the electric tool to run the threads down, and we will bring these up to specification of 7 inch-pounds. There we go. Again, these fasteners are critical and should never be over torqued. Therefore, highly sophisticated and precision instruments are required. Okay, the precision torquing device has been prepped. I do this very carefully and bring it up to spec slowly so as not to stretch the threads. Failure to achieve proper clamping force in this component could result in complete vehicle destruction. And, oh, not yet, we're coming up. Click. A little bit more, I feel it. We're beginning to yield. There it is. Click. Yay. There we go. We'll keep this safe and secure. At this point in the operation, we must install the fully synthesized dual viscosity engine rotating assembly lubricant. Pouring things. And I believe the specified quantity is going to be 4,731.76473 milliliters. Which we have not achieved yet. Okay, I have filled the container with 4,731.76425 milliliters. That's slightly under spec. But we're going to go ahead and fill the system, start the engine, and then recheck. If we have to, we will add a couple thousandths of a milliliter to top the system off. Begin lubrication installation procedure now. I'm pouring this from elevation to ensure that the lubricant achieves proper velocity for entrance into the engine. Okay, terminal velocity has been achieved. And we will continue the install procedure. Very good. System capacity should be at maximum now. Almost. Couple more milliliters left. We will now pre-fill the engine oil filter before driving. We will do this by placing the engine's rotating assembly into motion by way of starting the engine. Engine start complete. Engine shutdown time. Pew. Okay, we can see here that the engine lubrication level indicator indicates that lubrication level is at maximum capacity. Operation is now complete. All right, everybody, this will conclude the engine lubrication exchange procedure. I hope you guys that are watching enjoyed witnessing this highly technical and critical process. And I hope you guys have gathered a better understanding of the complexities and severity of these critical components and procedures. At this point, I would like to thank everyone here for watching, viewing, and or listening to this video. It is my sincerest hopes that you enjoyed this infotainment to the maximum level at which I could provide. I would only request of you that if you did find a shred of enjoyment in this procedure, to communicate that to me directly by tapping that thumbs up button. If you did not enjoy this particular procedure, please feel free to communicate that to me by entering your comment. That being said, I would like to remind everyone here to not forget to have a great day. See you guys later. Pew. Powering down. Goodbye, purple Mazda 3. See you later.